Hey y'all, thank you for tuning in. I'm Nick with Little Bucket Fishing, and welcome to another fishing adventure.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide.
So we are out here at these flats, gonna do a little bit of wade fishing today. Gonna start off with some top water action using some 20-pound mono, Penn Fierce 3000. First fish hookup. Huh? Huh? Yeah. Woohoo! First fish of the morning on our custom lure. Yeah. Little red.
Walking back into the rock so you can get a bunch.
I got 10-pound test on. I don't really want to
do a 10-pound test fighting a red.
It's fun. Come on, dude. First fish of the morning. Custom little pink jig that we made, or not jig, but lure we made. Yep, little paddle tail, little red. You got anything to keep him on? Just throw him back. Dang. Would it be a bad idea to put him on? I've got a stringer. I brought the stringer to hold my bag just in case I got tired of it. But.
I didn't think to try to bring a cooler or anything because I usually don't.
Yeah.
Very much.
Well, I don't have a. That's right. I don't have a cooler. I just measure him and let him go. $22. 24. All right. There he goes. Little slot red of the morning. Still a red. 2 reds for the morning.
Huh?
Said 2 reds for the morning.
6 spots.
Huh?
6 spots.
6. Nice. So does the feeling of catching a fish on a bait you made ever get old? No? That's cool. Heck yeah. Another redfish on. This one's a little nicer than the last. Very nice red. Lower slot.
Pretty little fish.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, buddy.
And you going.